Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iOS 17 update not showing in the settings. So if you guys are experiencing some problems that the iOS 17 softwares is not necessarily showing on the update, over on your update settings, on the category of your settings, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix that in step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do, in order for us to solve the problem, in the case that your iOS 17 update is not showing well, you gotta make sure that your device is compatible or is still listed under the compatible devices of iOS 17 as per Apple. So based on Apple, basically the devices that are still covered or are still enabled to download the iOS 17 softwares is just gonna be until the iPhone X. They can actually search for iOS 17 compatible or supported devices, and you are gonna have a list of the devices that will actually support the iOS 17 software. So you can actually see this option and basically view the Apple website of more details about this. You can actually scroll down over here and see until what device is gonna be supported of the iOS 17 software. So let's scroll down over onto the bottom and see as you go. As you see here, we have the list of iOS 17 compatible devices. As you see, it is gonna start with the iPhone 15 all the way until the iPhone SE, second generation or later. So as you see, and as you notice, the iPhone X and iPhone 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4 is not gonna be compatible anymore of the iOS 17 update. It's gonna stop from the iPhone X, but of course, the iPhone XR, XS Max and XS is still gonna be compatible with the iPhone 17 update. So you gotta make sure that your device is still on here, on this list, to have the iOS 17 update. So once you have that covered, basically, that's gonna give you the solution and your reason as to why you're not seeing the update of iOS 17 on your settings. But you also gotta make sure that you're connected with your internet in a stable connection, and you gotta make sure as well that your battery is on sufficient level. So my advice is to contact your internet service provider check if you are experiencing some problems, and to also charge your device so that you're gonna have sufficient battery levels as you update. And now, you could now double check under your settings, under your software update, and you should see that there is a software update available for you to update. That's all for this video guys. Thank you boys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.